Hi guys, if you are watching this video, it is because your Facebook page was hacked. Mine was taken by somebody else 2 weeks ago and I got it back. Please share the love, subscribe and share this video. Imagine what happened to me when 2 weeks ago, it was a Sunday night and I couldn't take control of my own page. I was trying to publish something and this was the first red flag. The scammer pretended to be a Facebook instant article and using Facebook Business Manager invitation to gain ownership to my page of 420,000 followers. This is what I received. Once they sent me a message on the Facebook, they asked me for my email. I gave them my email and they sent me an email invitation. Step by step, they told me what to do. I thought they were part of the same program that I've been doing advertising with Facebook. So of course, I never thought this was a scam. I authorize these people to my business manager page. Once I took control of my page, under the business manager, they opened a new company called Mexico or something, right? And I was no longer the administrator, but just an analyst. Also, my assistant was an analyst. And one chick called Francis Lou, whatever, it was a page administrator. So I was able to look at the stats and also post, but I could not post anymore as Laura Termini or Chicanol administrator. If you know that your page was stolen, there's two things that you can do right away. First of all, quickly remove Facebook Business Manager if it's still possible. This is the best chance to get your page back. Second of all, you can file a report to Facebook. That's what I did at the beginning. I reported everywhere. I'm gonna leave the links here on the description as well. And report your own page. Also report the person who is managing your account as administrator as a fake account. This is very important. When you file a case to Facebook, please do a great description of everything that happened. For me, my Chicanol is a trademark. So I sent Facebook my trademark number and everything related to chicanol.com throughout the years so they can know that I'm the page owner. After I reported the Facebook page everywhere, finally I got access to a help from Facebook ads. That is where I got the link to chat with a real person, live chatting, where I explained everything and this person had the chance to really go through the whole case and see what was going on. While I was chatting with this Facebook person, she asked for another email not associated with my Facebook account. I'm sharing with you the email, also the steps, everything. I really hope this works for you. Oh my God, almost 3 weeks of total panic. This is one of my businesses. Well, my business as a blogger. I'm an actor, also producer, but chicanol.com, it's been my baby for 10 years and my following, it's been growing. I already have like 500,000 followers. One of my businesses, well, my business as a blogger, I'm an actor, also producer, but chicanol.com, it's been my baby for 10 years. And my following, it's been growing. I already have like 500,000 followers, but most of the followers are on Facebook. So please comment here. I hope this really helped you. I will be praying for all you guys because I know how this is important for you guys. So thank you so much for watching and please subscribe.